Hey friends, welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, we are going to be adding more cozy cottage charm to my dining room. In my previous dining room makeover, I had mentioned to you guys the thought of continuing my beadboard that's in my entryway into the dining room. But the more I got to thinking about it, I think I just wanted more color on this wall. So I'm going in with Accessible Beige by Sherwin-Williams just to add some more of that coziness into this space. I do want to go ahead and thank SMARTWAVE Shades for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys this easy installation and giving you my honest opinion. SmartWave Shades does have a wide variety to choose from. If you're in the market for some smart blinds or even some outdoor shades as well, we decided to go with their beautiful drapery option that I'll be showing you in just a moment. The installation process was really easy for these, and we did decide to go ahead and do ceiling mounted ones to kind of elevate the space. These drapes are smart drapes as well, so they have a remote. They also connect to your Alexa device, and by gently pushing on them, they also will open and close that way as well. Because I do like to wash our curtains and our drapery pretty often, I do like that these just pop on and off for easy access to be able to wash. I did go ahead with the drapery option of 100% blackout. They do have 40%, 80%, but we live in Southern California and we don't have an air conditioning. So during those summer months, we like all the tips and tricks and hacks to try to keep that heat out, and these blackout curtains are absolutely going to do the job. I did get the Harmony curtains in 100% blackout in the color sand beige, and this texture for this area could not be more perfect to bring my vision to life. Thank you again to SMARTWAVE Shades for sponsoring today's video. So for now, I am adding some of the pieces from that gallery wall art back into this space, but I just wasn't loving it. So I do want to be looking and keeping my eyes peeled for a statement piece for this wall, something that's around like 5 to 5.5 feet. So if you guys happen to come across anything that's very cottage-y style, please send it my way. I would love to see what you guys come up with. I've said it before and I'll say it again, marriage is a compromise. I don't love the desk space being out here, but for right now, it's the only spot we have, so we're gonna make it work. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If this is a video style you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content I need to be pushing out. If you guys haven't already, we would love to have you here long-term at the Cook's Cottage, so please consider subscribing. But that's gonna do it for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.